The Famicom is screaming. There's another one. First time opening a big JALECO cart. No info online about the clips. I don't know how to open it. I'll be the guinea pig. It's soft. If the clips are reversed, you'll fail. It'll crack. It opened easily because it's soft. It popped open by itself. It was sideways. Here we go. There are clips on all four corners, no clips on the top. In the middle, there's a notch for a clip. But this side has no clip. NECPR and CHROM. That's rare. Opened another one. Exactly the same. IPA. Contact restorer. Apply this and it lifts dirt. Also protects gold plating. Has lubricating effect. Nylon buff. Magic powder.
Oh, give more tea.
Through hole holes. I'll fill them in. Flux. Bought a new soldering stand. It fits perfectly. No catching, very smooth. It even holds a solder reel. Highly recommended. Check the channel description if interested. Water. It's swelling up. Another board. The legs are too long, creepy. Could short circuit. Resoldering. So smooth. Zombie body fluid. Enough for 2 carts. Company secret. Hardens even stronger. Gen Z tears. Thin coating possible. This inside stuff. I'll show you when I refill it. Someday. Not yet. UV light. Off you go. Now it's stronger. Magic chemical time. Connector life extended.
Mercury.
1989. One of the biggest FC characters ever. It pushed the Famicom to the limit. It flickers and disappears. Lag is totally normal. Sprite's carbonation is kinda strong. Silicone coating. Extends plastic lifespan. Extended life.
Perfect body.